There are certain Muslims using internet to protest and they're using Arabic as a language. Why don't they use a local language, a Hausa? Why do they use Arabic language, which is making a misconception in the mind of the non-Muslims? Brother, there are many people in the world who only understand Arabic and nothing else. Today, Arabic is the 5th largest spoken language in the world. So if they have to convey to the Arab, they have to speak in Arabic. Arabic is spoken more than Hausa. Do you know that? Hausa doesn't come in the top 10 languages of the world. Arabic is the 5th largest language. So these people want to convey to a larger audience. I do agree with you that if it's a local organization, Nigeria should convey a message, they should convey it more in the local language. I agree with you. But if they use Arabic for their support, there is no wrong at all. Why should the non-Muslim have a misconception? If the non-Muslim cannot understand Arabic, they should not go on that site. Suppose I speak in Hindi, and if you don't understand Hindi, and if you have a misconception, problem is you, because I want to convey to the Hindi-speaking public. I cannot tell the Muslims, don't use Arabic. So what I do agree, that in the locality, if they want to convey to the local Muslims, the language which the local Muslims understand more should be used. I do agree that the local Nigerian Muslims speak more Hausa than Arabic. Then they should use Hausa. But if they do it in Arabic, it's not wrong, it's their choice. So I cannot say that if they're using Arabic, it is wrong, because Arabic today is the 5th largest spoken language in the world. Hope that answers the question.